Okay, so example 2 this morning for surface area, we're going to look at a cuboid. So we've got actually all the dimensions that we need. We've got this 2 centimetre height, we've got this 5 centimetre width, and then we've got this 10 centimetre length, 10 centimetres being the length, which is always the longest one. So looking at this, we've got to consider the special properties of a cuboid. So firstly, you've got to think about how many faces are there. We know that there are 6, given by this nice net down here. But there are actually some tricks we can use, aren't there? Because we can see that actually, even though there are 6 faces, each face has a pair. So really, you will only be finding out 3 different areas. Because there are 2 of each face. So obviously we've got this face here, which has a pair right at the back, and we have this face here, which has a pair over here, and we have the top face here, which obviously underneath there would be the pair for that one. So really there is a really nice quick way that we can figure out this surface area. So if we pick one face at a time to work out the surface area for it. Now, this is how I would set it out. Your total surface area is going to be 2 of the yellow face, 2 of the red face, and 2 of the green face. Now, 2 of the yellow face would be 2 times 2 times 5. So that's what we're going to write down. I'm going to put them in brackets just so you can see that they're separate. So 2 times 2 times 5. Then we would add 2 of the red face. That would be 2 times 10 times 2. So 2 times 10 times 2. But we know that we can write these in any order that we want because multiplication is commutative. And then lastly, 2 of the green face, which is 2 times 10 times 5. So, excuse my filming, goodness me. 2 times 10 times by 5. And that is actually all the working out we need to do to find the surface area of that. All we need to do is really, if it was a calculator paper, we could just type that all in, lovely jubbly, and be done. But I don't think this would be a calculator question. This is something that you can do really easily. So 2 times 2 times 5 is going to be 20. 2 times 10 times 2 is 40. And then last one, 2 times 10 times 5 is 100. So working that all out together, 20 plus 40 plus 100 is 160 centimetres squared. Lovely.